Welcome to everyone. In today's class, we are going to discuss history, third lesson, World War II. Previous class, we discussed causes of World War II. In today's class, we are going to discuss course of World War II, nature of the war. So this World War II was fought on two distinct fronts, the border of Europe and Asia Pacific. In Europe, the war was fought by the Allies against Germany and Italy. In Europe, this war was fought by the Allies country against Germany and Italy. At the same time, in Asia Pacific, this war was fought by the Allies against Japan. This World War II was modern war because they used many military equipment such as tank, submarine, battleship, etc. This involved a very large resource base. So this World War II involved very large resource base since all this equipment needed to be manufactured. Which one? Tanks, submarine, battleship. So this all should be needed to be manufactured. There had to be raw material, manufacturing capacity and technical input to improve the military hardware. To improve the military hardware, they increase the manufacturing of raw material, manufacturing capacity and technical input. So this expensive and prolonged. Prolonged means very long war. This World War II was very expensive and prolonged war. Outbreak of war. Outbreak of World War II 1939 and end of the World War II 1945. So this Britain and France declared war on Germany in 1 September 1939. So this is outbreak of World War II. Britain and France declared the war on Germany in September 1939. In June 1940, Italy joined to Germany, and in September 1940, Japan also joined the Axis power of Germany. Okay, so this is Allies country and this is Axis power. In June 1940, Italy joined with Germany, and later September 1940, Japan also joined with Axis power of Germany. So there are little action immediately after the declaration of war. After declaration of the war, Britain and France, they taken the little action. Britain had already, they started the build up their military capability, and the young men, they compelled to join the military duty. So the first year of the war, at the time of spectacular success of the Germany. So when this war was started, one of the huge success of the Germany army, they occupied Denmark, Norway, and later they occupied France. Okay, so Germany occupied Denmark, Norway, and later they occupied France because it was opening successful by Germany. By 1941, all the mainland of Europe and Russian border was controlled by Axis power. 1941, all the mainland of Europe and Russian border was controlled by Axis power. And German army followed the tactic of lightning strike. Okay, so lightning strike means immediately they try to attack, is called as lightning strike. It's called Blitzkrieg. The German language, it is called as Blitzkrieg, to storm into various countries and overrun them. Okay, so Germany later they followed the lightning strike. Which countries are power in that country against, they started the lightning strike, which means Blitzkrieg. See the picture. So this is Blitzkrieg, and this is British Royal Navy. Okay, So the Germany army followed the tactic of lightning strike, blitzkrieg, the storm into the countries and overrun them. Okay, so this is blitzkrieg, which means immediate attack. Okay, lightning strike, it's called as blitzkrieg. So this is British Royal Navy, because the British was very strong in the navy side. Because of this British Royal Navy, because of this ship, so they tried to attack this British Royal Navy. It is continued powerful among the European naval forces, so that Germany tried to attack this British Royal Navy, but they understood this is impossible to attack this British Royal Navy. But Britain depended on the large scale import of food, raw material and industrial goods by this sea route from their empire and US. So Germany attacked this area with help of submarine, which crossed especially the Atlantic Ocean, and by sinking the large number of civilian ships carrying supplies to the Britain. Because the Germany thought it is impossible to attack this British Royal Navy, so that the German attacked, which they contained the raw material, food, etc. In that, civilian ship was attacked by Germany, which was supplied to the Britain. Okay, so this is blitzkrieg, lightning strike. Okay, Germany introduced blitzkrieg, lightning strike, and this is very strong, the naval power of Britain. So British Royal Navy. Next, important events. Dunkirk. So what is Dunkirk? It is one of the city in North France. In Dunkirk in May 1940, more than 3 lakh British and French soldiers were forced back to the beaches in Dunkirk, because if they continued same places of the Dunkirk, they lost their soldiers. Again, they could not form this many soldiers, so that they ordered to push back to the beaches in Dunkirk. From the city of the Dunkirk, they moved to the beaches in Dunkirk, because if they lost their soldiers, they could not form again this many soldiers. Okay, so that they pushed back to the beaches in Dunkirk. Battle of Britain. By July 1940, it was feared that Germans planned to attack the Britain. Okay, by July 1940, the Germans were planning to invade the Britain. Hitler wanted to force Britain after attacking the bombing campaign. So Hitler forced to the Britain after this attack bombing campaign. So German Air Force began to attack specific target of the, especially the port, airfield and industrial. The German Air Force started to attack the specific target of port area, airfield area and industrial. In September 1940, London was bombed mercilessly. Many persons was killed. In 1940, London was bombed mercilessly by German. So this, with help of this blitzkrieg, as we discussed, blitzkrieg means lightning strike. With help of lightning strike, the German attacked the London mercilessly. By October 1940, night bombing. The Germans started the night bombing raid on London, but it was failure. At the same time, in October 1940, the Germany started the night bombing, night time. They tried to attack the night bombing on London, but it was failure. Because this campaign failed, because the aid of newly developed, the Britain newly developed, and they kept very top secret device, radar. It was detecting the aircraft. Okay, so this, with help of this radar, they are detecting the German aircraft why still the distance? Okay, while arrival, before the arrival, they find the aircraft of German, the fighter planes of Royal Air Force. The fighter planes of Royal Air Force, one is Spitfires, another one is Hurricanes. Okay, see the picture. So this is Royal Air Force, both also Royal Air Force, one is Hurricane, another one is Spitfire. So this is very helpful to the Britain. They can find before arrival of the German planes. Okay, so this Spitfires and Hurricanes, they kept very top secret. Were able to inflict severe losses on the German bombers. So before arrival of the German planes, with help of this Spitfires and Hurricanes, they attacked the German planes. Okay, with help of those Hurricanes and Spitfires, they attacked the German planes. So that German got failure for this air battle. Lend-Lease 1941 to 1945. So President Roosevelt realized, he understood United States had to change its policy of isolation. So what is isolation? Wherever the problem is continued, America will not involve in that problem, isolated. Okay, they are focused only their economic, the Great Depression. But later, the President Roosevelt realized the United States had to change their policy of isolation. But same time, directly United States not ready to help the Europe because was not political feasible. Okay, because of political feasible, United States not ready to support the Europe continent directly. So that introduced the program is called as Lend-Lease in March 1941. You understand? So President Roosevelt, he was not interested to support the Europe directly, so that he introduced Lend-Lease program in March 1941. So what is Lend-Lease program? So what is Lend-Lease? So America supported the armed, food, military equipment and other supplies were sent to the Britain. After this usage, they have to return to the USA given the loan. The loan type of introduction is called as Lend-Lease. So America supported the, with help of loan, they sent to the Britain armed, food, military, etc. After the usage, they should send back to the US. Is called as Lend-Lease program, because directly they should not involve. They could not involve, so that they followed this type of program is called as Lend-Lease. Between 1941 and 1945, the total under the Lend-Lease amount is $46.5 billion. Okay, so total during this 4 year, the America supported, the amount is $46.5 billion. Invention of Russia 1941 to 1942. In June 1941, the German army invaded Russia. Because the long-term objectives of this move, they seized prime land of settling German. Okay, they seized some area of the Russia because of the people, the German people, for settle to destroy the communist regime and also exploit the Russian natural resources, especially oil. Okay, so the German seized Russia and they destroy the communist regime and Russian natural resources, especially oil. So the German strategy of lightning strike, immediately attacked us. Lightning strike was initially successful. The army penetrated 1,000 miles into Russian territory very soon. So German followed the lightning strike. Okay, Blitzkrieg. The Germany followed the lightning strike, which means Blitzkrieg. So Germany got the success and they moved to the Russia 1,000 miles. Okay, they moved to the Russia apart from 1,000 miles. Okay, penetrated. They moved to the Russia 1,000 miles into the Russia territory very soon because of with help of this lightning strike. The German army then marched on Moscow, but ultimately the resistance by the Soviet army, the fused Russian winter was against by the Soviet army, and Russian winter defeated the German army. Later the German army marched on Moscow, but against by Soviet army, and very cold winter defeated the German army. Next, Battle of Stalingrad. So what is Stalingrad? It is one of the city in Russia. Stalin, it is name. Okay, the ruler of Russia name is called as Stalin. So Battle of Stalingrad, 17 July 1942 to 2 February 1943. Okay, Battle of Stalingrad. It was located Russia. It is one of the city in Russia. In August 1942, the German attacked Stalingrad. It was located 30 miles, which means 50 kilometer bank of Volga River. Stalingrad was one of the important industrial city producing armament and tractor. They are manufacturing armament and tractor. This area Stalingrad, it was located 50 kilometer from the bank of Volga River. And Russian people suffered not only for this bad working and living condition. Okay, so here the Russian people, they suffered very lot. The Russian people suffered very lot, not only for working and living condition. They also ill-treated by the German, and they occupied many areas. So there were 15 million civilian deaths during the war, and about 10 million members of the armed forces were killed. Altogether, if you add, over 1/10 of the Russian population was died. Yet the people remained loyal to the government despite Hitler hoped anti-Stalin revolution. Okay, so in Russia, many civilian people and armed people were killed. So Hitler thought, so this revolution, so this will be create the Stalin revolution. The people against only their ruler, native ruler, like that Hitler thought. But here the people supported to the government and against the Hitler, Later, they successfully defended the city of Stalingrad. Battle of El Alamein, 1942. In the early year of the war, German forces under the General Rommel, the German forces under the leader of the General Rommel were remarkably successful in occupying the North Africa rapidly. Very soon, they occupied North Africa, leaving the British with only the Egypt. The British got only the Egypt, but German, they occupied many places, especially North Africa. The army leader of General Rommel. But the Allied forces under General Montgomery counter-attacked. Again, the Allied forces attacked the German and Italian forces El Alamein in North Africa. Later, the Allied forces defeated the German and Italian forces at El Alamein in North Africa. Okay, they defeated German and Italian forces. The places of the El Alamein. Okay, battle means fight, place means Alamein means it is one of the places. So, here the Allies country defeated the German and Italy, the places of the El Alamein. The Germany army was chased across the desert. So, from North Africa, the Germany army moved from the North Africa, from this across the desert. This provided base for the Allied forces to invade Italy. So, surrender of Italy, 1943. So Mussolini had been thrown out. A new government of Italy surrendered to the Allies in 1943. So we know well, the ruler of Italy Mussolini, the ruler of Germany Hitler, and the ruler of Spain Franco. So here Mussolini had been thrown out and the new government of Italy surrendered to the Allies in 1943. But Germans set up the Mussolini, they given one of the place in the north. But there he looked like only the statue and he is the ruler one of the place in north side. But Mussolini was killed in April 1945 by Italian partisans. Okay, Italian partisans means for revolt. Okay, civilian people revolt. By Italian civilian people revolt. Mussolini was killed in April 1945. End of Hitler. The Allied forces under the command of General Eisenhower invaded Normandy in France. The Allied forces, the commander of General Eisenhower invaded Normandy in France. Slowly the German army was forced back. But the Germans fought back against these Allied forces so that this war was continued next 1 year and finally ended in May 1945 and Hitler committed suicide in April 1945. Okay. From 1944, the Russian army began to attack Germany from the east and captured most of the places Eastern Europe and Poland. From 1944, the Russian army started attack the Germany from the east side and they captured the Eastern Europe and Poland. In 1945, they occupied the part of Berlin so that Germany was divided into two sections after the war. Okay, in 1945, they occupied part of Berlin so that Germany was divided into two sections of the war. Next, war in the Asia Pacific region. War in the Asia Pacific region. Okay. Japan had entertained vision of the glorious empire like Hitler. Okay. So Japan also like Hitler, they tried to become the great ruler in the world. So that Japanese army invaded Manchuria in 1931. So China appealed for this League of Nations, this act of aggression, but did not supported by United States or Britain. So in 1937, Japan invaded China and they seized Beijing. It is also called as Peking. It is one of the traditional capital of China. The region around Shanghai also captured by Japan and this capital was captured at end of the year. The Shanghai was also captured and Nanjing, the capital city, also captured end of the year. The Japanese army indulged in the biggest slaughter ever known in the history of Nanjing. Okay, in the Nanjing, many people was killed. The Nanjing, many people was killed and the civilians were killed and all female from children to old men, everyone was tortured and killed. The Chinese army under Chiang Kai-shek retreated west to the hill country because the Japan continuously attacked the China, so that the leader of Chiang Kai-shek retreated. Again they moved to the west side of the hill country. From that place they continue the war against the Japan. Okay, they moved to the west side hill country and they continue the war against the Japan. Okay. Next, recap. In Europe, the war was fought by the Allies against Germany and Italy. Okay. At same time, in Asia Pacific, the war was Allies against Japan. Britain and France declared the war on Germany in September 1939. Dunkirk, it was one of the city. In May 1940, more than 3 lakh British and French soldiers were forced back to the beaches in Dunkirk because If they lost their soldiers in that places, again they could not form the soldiers, so that they has to move to the beaches in Dunkirk. In June 1941, the German army invaded Russia. In June 1941, the German army, the ruler of Hitler, invaded Russia. And the Japanese army invaded Manchuria in 1931. Okay, at the same time, the Japanese army invaded Manchuria in 1931. Next, read and learn the following. The questions are: name the Bretton Woods twin. Okay, question number 70. Give the continuous number. Write the test in your classwork note. So the questions are: name the Bretton Woods twin. Okay. I hope you understood this session very well. Read well. Thank you. Have a nice day.